Welcome back, beautiful people. Have you ever wanted to literally automate entire tasks using AI and complete tasks that were taking 30 minutes to an hour and get them done in seconds? Well, with GenSpark, we now have this. GenSpark is a new were um AI platform that is actually bringing about new capabilities. I mean, one capability that I don't think we've seen from anyone else is call for me. So basically, it'll have an AI agent call someone for you, and I may have it call my business phone. So we're gonna test it out. They have something called Super Agent, Image Studio, video generation, and deep research. So it seems like Super Agent is basically, like a agent, like an agent. Deep research is like a regular LLM, video generation, so on and so forth. But the call for me is very interesting, and so we're going to get to that, but stay tuned to the end because that will be later on. But for now, we will be doing Super Agent. And just like last video, we got Gemini to give us a prompt to test out GenSpark. And so this is what it gave us. Um, Market research. So basically, develop a comprehensive marketing strategy for a fictional, new, eco friendly, and biodegradable pet toy company called Planet Paws. So it's going to basically develop an entire marketing strategy. And let's just see for a business use case, will this work out? So let's copy all of this um, down here. And okay, so I don't think we want to. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's put it in here to super agent, click enter. So parallel search, it's basically gonna search. Let me gather more specific information so you can see the actual searches that it's doing. The global pet toys, so bunch of pet toy blogging. Now it's actually coming out with the summary. Growth in pet toy market is expected to grow from 9.1 billion to 17.4 billion. And this information is from 2023, so I'm not sure that this is trained on newer information, but it is giving an analysis of the actual market, an analysis of the actual competitors, their key offerings, their marketing approach, their strengths, um, the target audience, Gen Z pet owners, Gen X pet parents, environmentally minded. Um, this is cool. So this is like a basic um marketing plan. However, it did do that initial research to gather insights onto its outcome. So right here, marketing channel strategy, Instagram and TikTok justification, 67% of pet parents follow pet accounts on Instagram or Facebook. Okay, if that's a real statistic. Additionally, 35% created social media accounts for their pets. Millennial and Gen Z pet owners created consistent content marketing. So that's the thing. This is a marketing strategy. This isn't specifically a content strategy. Content strategy would go into what we are actually doing, but we can see some content examples. Interactive product pages showing biodegradability process impact calculator. Okay. Ooh, I think that could be cool for content. The paw print pledge campaign, an integrated campaign inviting pet owners to pledge to reduce their pets. Wow, okay. So that's kind of like something like a news station getting pledges because they are member ran or, viewer funded. Biodegradable journey, sustainable pet parenting podcast. Wow, that's So it's basically giving you suggestions on ways that you can market um this pet toy. You got KPIs, which you're gonna track sales growth and market penetration, revenue growth, number of retail partners, market share percentage, and eco-friendly. Okay, cool. So it's really giving you a comprehensive um thing. Now give me a content plan with pillars, ideas, scripts, and suggested visuals. Also suggest wordage for captions in an instructional format. So right now, I don't think this is a super agent. When I think of a super agent, I think of something that I can tell it create a comprehensive marketing plan, and it can actually go and look at visuals from other companies and include that inside of its analysis. Or it can utilize the image studio to come up with a potential content piece we could put out. Or it could use the video generation studio to go along with the content idea that it has. I feel like real agents are able to just utilize different aspects of AI capabilities, and it doesn't necessarily seem like this is that. I don't know if it can generate an image. It's actually giving us a ton of content. So they got campaign emails, email marketing content, behind the scenes content, transparency, company environment, meet our materials, the Planet Paws ingredient library. Wow. um, Lifestyle and enrichment, seasonal guide, eco-friendly activities to enjoy with your pets. So this is just marketing stuff to get your name out there, become a thought leader in your space. Product showcase, matching your dog's playstyle to the perfect Planet Paws toy. That's fire. Definitions. So it's gonna give you a robust amount of it's gonna give you a robust amount of information, but you still have to perform a lot of the back end work on it. Script example. Our EcoFetch ball isn't just fun, it's revolutionary. Made from pressed hemp fibers and natural rubber, it's durable enough for power chewers, but will return to the earth when its playing days are done. And that is very nice because that's very important for our demographic. They are about sustainability and things like that. It gives you series. So we can kind of see that it is basically laying it all out for us. And EcoFacts weekly series. Okay, wow. So it has just impact report, content scripts and templates, product spotlight. Oh, so these are basically captions. So product spotlight, perfect for X, Y, and Z. So these are basically caption templates that we can utilize for certain stuff. TikTok video script, show surprising visual or state shocking fact about pet waste. Um, this eco-friendly. Okay, cool. Blog post template. I mean, it's literally giving you everything. Honestly, this is a lot. Like usually you'll have to go in and say, okay, we want to do email, we want to do social media, we want to do in-person marketing, we want to do inbound and outbound. And this is giving us everything. Photography. It's giving us photography, but I wish that it could include images with the photography that it's saying, and include images so much so that they are pinpointed between the idea and the outcome from the AI. That would be very powerful in agentic AI, and they can do that. However, you would just have to set that up more and more. And when platforms become able to incorporate that into the same model or include that usability into one specific model that can utilize image generation, video generation, voice generation, and put them all together to create edits or things like that, then agentic AI will really become a powerful thing. So it's giving you graphic elements, social media caption, instructional guide. It's did you know the average dog owner throws away? Wow, these are actually good. Like these are actually good. Content bro, I did not ask for all of this. Content distribution, platform. Wow, it's giving you a whole entire schedule. You don't have to do any work, bro, except just create the content, follow the plan. That's all you got to do. Monthly theme calendar, okay? Implementation recommend. Honestly, if I'm gonna be honest, I think this is worth it. It does. It's like a super agent because it's like, look at this. I didn't ask for templates. You know what I'm saying? Um, I didn't ask for all of this for real, but it gave it, and it's good that it gave it because this is a lot of useful information. Like, bro, you can go start an email campaign right now. You can go start a blog right now. Like within the next 20 minutes, you can copy and paste. You can say, "Hey, I know you said that you want me to utilize this blog idea. Give me the copy for it so that I can put it on my website." And it'll give you the copy for it and you can put it on your website. But you can automate this whole entire process. Utilizing a super agent like this will give you tons of information. So let's say you utilize this prompt on an ongoing basis for clients that you're serving. Then you can input the business name, get all of the information within the automation, pinpoint certain strings of data that you want to bring over into another platform or tool, then just go about it that way. So that is the super agent. I know that took a little while, but now we're going to get into the image studio. So if you guys saw the last video, Envato Elements as well as um, Google Studio have, is it Google Studio? Yeah, I'm pretty sure Google Studio can edit images. All of them have these capabilities. Magic Redraw, AI Try On. AI Try On is new for this one. Image Unblur is pretty new, but I'm guessing that's similar to upscaling. Magic Eraser, Background Remover. So we are going to try out the image generation and image to video. And so right here we can see that it is using a mixture of agents. So it has access to a lot of the image generation models that are popular. And so if it's using a mixture of agents, I guess it'll kind of look at the best possible outcome and pick for you. Um, I actually have 126 credits, so let's generate an image and actually let's ask Gemini to help us create an image. Give me an image prompt to go along with that idea. And so the pet toy, a vibrant eye level shot. Okay, bam. I wish that it did not give it to me in like code format, but we got it. Place that in there. A vibrant eye level shot. Bam. So we're just doing auto style, auto size. Oh wow. That is very, very quick. I know that Flux One Snail is really, really quick. Um, but it's just not the absolute best quality. And so we see that it did give us the fastest prompt. We wanted a eye level shot of a happy golden retriever playfully interacting with a brightly colored biodegradable dog toy. Okay, so it did definitely give us the results that we're looking for. It did. I think this one is the best one. If we would pick one, this one is the best one, and this is the Flux Pro model. So this one is kind of cool. I mean, this one is kind of cool. This one is definitely the worst one, but it doesn't look like it has access to the Midjourney API or the Midjourney model, and so I would want a platform like this to have access to that model just because Midjourney is the most powerful image generation tool we have right now. Imagine 3 and Dolly 3 are great. However, they just don't match up to Midjourney. So, I'm gonna try auto prompt. Let it give me something. You've used all your credits. Uh-oh, no. So basically image generation is going to use a bunch of your credits. So now I can't even check out the image to video, but we did check out a little bit on this platform. So if you would like to check it out yourself, go ahead and do that. Um, they have video generation. We probably could have turned the picture we just created into a video. They also have other agents. Call for me, which is basically, if you wanted to um, call a company to get a quote or book a reservation at a restaurant, you can do that. Cross check, you can, get verification on things. Data search, deep research. I mean, it's one of those wrappers that in the back end it has connections to a lot of things and specific instructions on how to get things done. So it's a cool tool. But that is it for today's video. I know it was cut a little bit short, but in more models, I will definitely be getting plans. If you would like to see things like that, and definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Comment your favorite thing going on in the AI space right now, and I'll keep pushing these out. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Greetings, business owners. Have you ever wondered how you should show up on the online marketplace or in person for your customers? Well, the number one thing that you need to focus on is branding. How are you appearing to your customers, and what type of relation are you communicating with them? And this is exactly what we do at the Views Agency. We handle full service projects, as well as if you're just looking to get your branding identity done. So if this is something that you're interested in, be sure to follow me at DLO Brands, or send me an email at dlogan@theviewsagency.com, and we can get your project started today.